Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to make a new user with same phone on Temu app. So first off here, we're going to open your Temu app on your mobile. And here, tap on the U button right here at the bottom middle of your screen. And as you can see, I have already an account on Temu. Now, if you want to add another account, basically tap on the setting icon right here at the top right hand corner of your screen. Now, under the settings here, you will find an option at the bottom which says switch accounts. So tap on this option here. And then here you will find an option which says add account. So basically we can add multiple accounts on Temu, and you just need to select here either you want to sign in with your Google, Facebook, or with your X account. Now, for example, I'm going to select this continue with Google. Now, once you signed in, as you can see, I have another account on Temu. Now, if you want to actually create another account, just again, tap on the settings icon right there at the top right-hand corner and tap on switch accounts. So you can add another account, you can switch your accounts here, or you can remove an account right here at the bottom. So that's it. That's how you basically create a new account on Temu with your same phone. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.